Hey guys, welcome to this video. So this might be the first video that I will upload into my channel. Um, so why am I starting a YouTube channel and wanted to start uploading video into the channel itself? There are reasons why I'm gonna do that. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna start to introduce myself first. I'm a guy, 26 years old, from Indonesia. I'm currently undergraduate in a certain university in Indonesia. So English is not my mother language. So maybe pardon me if I have a little bit of rough English here and there. I'm also trying to learn how to speak properly and fluently. So if I make many mistakes, you feel free to correct these mistakes. Okay, so as you can see, as you heard already, a guy 26 years old, not yet graduate. That's kind of slow life because I wanna take out these bad habits of mine where I'm not being productive, I'm playing game too much and don't spend any time being productive, and that makes my life quite miserable. People start to looking down on me, hating me, maybe even my closest person. So maybe will be the start of everything that I want to build so I can have a better life. Okay, so move on. So what activity that I will update here? Because I'm an IT person, I will start learn some programmings. I'm quite familiar with programming, especially data science and AI related field. Not too expert, but yeah, I really likes data. But somehow I feel like I want to learn something more mainstream, so I can build a path that can support my career a little faster, and then maybe will be my portfolio before I'm applying for any jobs that I want to do. So yeah, I'm quite familiar with basics programming, but I will learn JavaScript from scratch. I'm actually already learned JavaScript. I know how the script looks. Not all of them, but I know how it looks. Okay, so why am I relearning this? So this is one of my mistake as a programmer. When I start as a programmer and I go to college and start doing more and more programming, I don't have the record that I need to save it for myself, like Git and GitHub and that kind of stuff. So I just save my progress, I just save my applications, I just save my codes in my laptops. But now my laptop is dead, so with no money, and I kinda stuck because I cannot get the proper job for my skill set. So I decided to create this channel also for that purpose, so I can record myself, so I can get my portfolio be uploaded into internet, and maybe that will help me in the future when I'm actually looking for a job. So why JavaScript? So as I say earlier, JavaScript is really popular, right? Web programming is, especially here in my country, there's a lot of opportunity and it's a fast one. There's a lot of demand where the programmer is required to learn or to know JavaScript. So I'm still gonna do other programmings maybe later in the future, but I want to be good at this for now. So JavaScript will be the stepping stone for me, so I can get anything valuable from my time. Learning skills, learning codes, learning how to create something that will be useful for me, for other people, and of course for my future. Okay, so how I'm gonna do this? So I actually already record this introduction video. This is the second time I record this because I don't know, YouTube has a 15 minutes limit on their videos on the channel uploads, and I need to verify myself first, but I'm just gonna redo it because why not. So I'm gonna record myself learning from scratch, of course, from the documentations. Let's see here. Okay, so wow. Okay, so this is the JavaScript documentations. This is from developer.mozilla. I'm gonna learn from this. I'm gonna try to create 2 to 3 hour sessions a day, and I don't know how much limit YouTube actually let me have to upload my videos, the length. But if I cannot upload like a 2 or 3 hours video, I will just try to live stream while I'm doing it because yep, reasons. So I'm gonna start with this documentations. Of course I'm gonna make a plan, so that's why I have this Notion. So all the things that I do will be added here, and also the codes, the learning pad that I create, I will also upload it to my GitHub and I will put it into the descriptions. Why I share it on YouTube? So maybe while I'm trying to fix myself, I can share to other people how a person can learn JavaScript. I don't know whether the process will be shorter because I already have experience with codes, or it will be longer since I want to quite knew everything about the thing that I want to learn now. But yeah, will be the guidelines for what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I'm gonna name this Never to Learn, and then of course we will start from the basics. So I'm gonna create a list, maybe just numbered list. First, learn the basics. Okay, can we okay, so learn the basics, and then from now on we're gonna learn something like of course input, processes, and output, and maybe we will do something like let's see the documentation. Okay, so beginner's tutorial. This is straight away to a website, but I wanted to um, let's see, this fundamental. Okay, so all these things like um, grammar and types. Okay, I will also look into this later. I'm actually already looking into this website a little bit, but yeah, for the sake of the video, I will read all of them all over again. I don't know whether it will be completed reading session or not, but yeah, that's I'm gonna do based on these documentations, and then I will plan to do some little project to support my learning session. So every little while I'm gonna create some apps related to what I'm already learned before that. Okay, so we have here grammar and types. Let's go back into the Notion. So grammar and types, this one is including the, let's do this so it's easier. Oops. Okay, yeah. Base syntax, variable, and etc. And then the second one is control flow. It's like conditionals, right? If else switch, conditionals, try, catch, throw, error objects. Okay, it's not yet. And then loops, let's see here, loops, functions, and there's a lot of time, but yeah, there's a lot of things, but yeah, I'm gonna update it later when I'm actually doing the first session of my learning session. But this is the introduction of how I will approach my learning for this channel. So if you guys are new into programming and then stumble into this channel, you guys are welcome to give a feedback on maybe it will be easier this way or that way, or if you guys are already expert and then stumble into my channel to see a person like me learning something that you guys already can, please correct me if I'm doing something wrong. Okay, of course I'm not gonna step away from AI, but I'm not gonna try to create a code through the AI. I want to create the code myself, but later I will also show how the troubleshooting works when the codes is not working or error is show up. So basically just how people that knows nothing about the language itself, and when they encounters an error, how they will look for it. And it is also open for you guys to you can look here better. For example, that website can give you can provide you with good answers, and you can also ask here, ask there, like maybe like something like Stack Overflow basically. But yeah, if you already getting into codes, you gonna have error, and then you most likely gonna search it on the Google. So yeah, I'm also gonna show how I'm gonna troubleshoot my apps. But yeah, I think that's all for these introductions, so that this video doesn't have to be so long. It's already like 15 minutes. It's the same as the previous one, but yeah. I hope these introductions will give a clear explanations on why this channel is created, because it's centered around me. Uh, yeah, I hope this channel will be helpful for myself and to other people that are watching the videos later. So I think that's it, guys. And I hope I can get better. So stay tuned and bye bye.